Hi, I'm Diona Joyce from Kanto by Tita Flips, the first Filipino street food in Toronto. I'd like to introduce Kanto's sweet Filipino treat called halo-halo. In Tagalog, halo-halo means mix-mix. Filipino culture is a halo-halo or a mix of different cultures. We combine desserts from world cultures that have influenced the Philippines, creating a tasty, cold treat that is uniquely Filipino. The base is a hearty mix of Asian tropical fruits, coconut jellies, and beans. Filled with a creamy milk and ice, the best part of halo-halo experience is enjoying the sweet, melted mixture at the end. Topped with our own homemade leche flan, velvety purple yam, and crispy rice, the dessert couldn't look or taste better. It's an authentic Filipino treat that will quench your summertime thirst. Halina kayo, come to Kanto to try our traditional halo-halo.